Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I preserve fresh pineapple for up to 8 months without using any preservative. Here I have my 2 pineapples ready. I will start by washing the pineapples. After washing the pineapples, I peel them. After peeling both pineapples, I cut off the flesh from the inner core. I will keep the core aside for the moment and slice the pineapple flesh into small cubes. Here I have my sliced pineapple. The next step is to slice the pineapple core into small pieces and press out the juice using a juicer. As you can see, there is still some pineapple flesh around the core. I left this on because I will be needing about 2.5 glasses of pineapple juice, and the core alone will not give me this quantity. Here I have the pineapple flesh and here the pineapple core. The next step is to juice the core. As you can see, I already have my juicer ready. If you do not have a juicer, after slicing the pineapple core, you can blend using a blender or a smoothie cup. Then you use a cheesecloth or a strainer and squeeze out the juice. After juicing the pineapple core, I keep the juice aside. For this quantity of pineapple, I will be needing 2 canning jars. Here I have the water already boiling. I will now take it off the stove and gently pour into the glass jars. Do not forget to sterilize the lids as well. While the jars are in hot water, I will now pour the pineapple juice into a pot. Place the pot on the stove. Turn the stove on to medium heat and bring the juice to boil. Once the pineapple juice starts boiling, I empty the jars. Put the sliced pineapples into the jars. Then I pour the boiled pineapple juice over the pineapple in the glass, making sure the pineapple pieces are completely covered with juice. And then I immediately seal the glass with the lid. Make sure the jars are tightly sealed. When the jars are sealed, you take a big pot. The pot should be of a size whereby both jars can be placed inside. Fill the pot with water. Put the pot on the stove and bring the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, You take the pot off the stove. Put both jars in the pot for about 5 minutes. The jars should not be completely covered in water. After 5 minutes, take the jars out of the pot. Keep them aside to cool down before you store them in the cupboard. And here we have our fresh pineapple stored in pineapple juice without any preservatives. This is how I normally store my fresh pineapple. Using this method, I have been able to store them for up to 8 months. Thank you so much for watching this video. If the video has been helpful to you, please do give it a like, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye and have a wonderful day.